Hello friends, welcome back to SPN Consultancy. Myself Pranay once again will be continuing the continuity part of my previous video that was on magical instrument. So today the topic will be the continuation of the magical instrument. Before that, anybody new to my channel, do like it, share it and subscribe it, and don't forget to press the icon bell so that any video uploaded by me will be notified to you. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. So let me take that instrument. This is the instrument. I hope everybody can see it. It took me 1 year to make alignment with this and me. When I say that it is true, then it will rotate in a clockwise direction like that. And if anything is wrong, then it will rotate in the anti-clockwise, as right now I am rotating it through my hands. But at the time of prediction, I won't rotate it with my hands. You can see it, but if you believe or not, I don't have proof to prove it. So let's start. Let me show you the live example in front of everybody. This is a glass of water. This is a glass of water. The water is in it, and it is an RO purified water. So I will check it out whether this water is really good one or not. So let me align it with myself. Okay, now let's start. The magical instrument, please tell me whether the water in this glass is a pure one. If it is pure one, then please rotate clockwise, otherwise rotate anti-clockwise. अगर ये जल स्वच्छ है, then rotate clockwise. As friends, all of you can see that this magical instrument is rotating clockwise, as because the water in it is RO purified water, and if this water is dissolved with any other material, then this instrument would rotate in the anti-clockwise direction. So right now it is showing that it's a pure water, we can drink it. It's in the clockwise direction. I have made the alignment with this tool and me. It took me 1 year to make the alignment. Many a times I got the wrong answers, but now whatever I do, I get the perfect one. I get the correct ones. It's quite handy and quite useful. If any item is lost, then we can find out with this tool. If we are going to purchase a land, that land is suitable to us or not, we can find out with this tool. If we are going to make any business dealings, then if we want to find out whether this dealing is going to be or not, we can see through it. If we are traveling to any place, if we want to know whether that traveling will be fruitful to us or not, we can see it through it. I mean to say that everything can be seen through it. We can get every answer from it. It's a beautiful tool. So, if anybody wants this tool, they can contact me on my number or mail me, and my mail ID and number is in the description box. You can collect it. If you find this video useful to you, then do share it in your WhatsApp groups, like it, subscribe it, so that any more videos uploaded by me will be notified. So friends, that's all from now. See you soon with a new video. Thank you. Goodbye.